Hi, hello. This is the third part of our program. We want to feed 11 years of calendar data into an array. All right, so we had a program developed before, and let's load that now. All right, so it's now here. In this version of BASIC, we can only make a file name of 8 characters. What I'm saying is if we save this program as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters, that name, we can only retrieve 8 characters of that. All right, so our program is now loaded. Okay, it ignores anything longer than 8 characters. So this is a version of BASIC. That's a limitation. This is an old version. All right. We now want to adjust the program for leap year. And before we do that, let's have a lecture. Print, let us say I have a year 2ig equals 2010. How do I know if that is a leap year or not? So we print 2ig divided by 4 minus integer of 2ig divided by 4. We had this before, this exercise before. If we want to know if a number is divisible by a certain factor, divisor, we use the integer command of BASIC. So by executing this mathematical equation, we know that if it is 0, it is a leap year. If it is not 0, meaning it has a decimal value, it is not a leap year. All right, so let's do that again for another year. Let's say 2ig equals 2012, which is a leap year. So we can print no, I don't have to do that. We'll just execute it again. It's already here. All right, it's already there. So it should give us a value 0 because the integer portion of this is 0. 0. It gives us 0. So we know 2012 is a leap year because of this mathematical equation. All right. So let's create a variable LP for that, meaning leap year. So let's give that a value equals. All right, so we know it is a leap year if the value of LP, print LP, is 0. It is 0. All right, now let's do that again for another year. If it is 2011, then we print that again. We run through this equation again. And if we print LP, it will give us a decimal value, meaning 2011 is not a leap year. So 0.75 is a decimal value. All right? Did you get that? All right. Let's have another example. For 2016, let's give 2ig the value 2016. All right. Did you hear that big fart? That is a ship. I'm here near the pier. Anyway. So 2016 for 2ig, LP equals 2016 divided by 4. And let's print the value. It should give us a 0, meaning 2016 is a leap year. That was 0. Okay, now you understand that. Let's insert that in our program. Okay, so this is our portion for the loop for the year for 11 times. That should give us a value 2010, 11 to 2020 what? 20 2010 plus 11 years. So 2021 for up to year 2021. No, 2020 only. Only. Only because 2010 is included in the 11 years. So that's, yeah, 2020 only. 2020. Okay. Okay. All right. So W equals 6 because initialize the week for 2010 for 2000 for Z1 January 2010, which is Friday. Okay. Now let us adjust. How do we insert? So renum, so we can have enough spaces for inserts. Oh, hang on. Oops. All right. So how do we insert? All right. So up to year 2000, we will insert 3610, which means 2ig equals 2009 plus yy. So if y is 1, our first year is 2010. So this equation will give us 2010 if yy is equal to 1. Very good. So 3620, then LP, leap year, is equal to 2ig divided by 4 minus the integer 2ig divided by 4. All right, and we now know if it is a leap year, so we can adjust now line 3800. Okay, and if it is February, BB equals to February, and LP is not equal to 0, then it is not a leap year. It is not a leap year. And 3810, if BB equals 2 and leap year equals 0, then Dmax equals 29, and you go to 4100. All right. Okay, so that is now our adjustment to consider leap year in our program. All right, now how do we test? If I test this for 11 years, it will take the computer a very long time to process. So let's just test for 3 years. 3 years, all right? Let's just test for 3 years. So that would mean 2010, 2011, and 2012. 2012 is a leap year. So we just need to run it for 3 years, all right? So let's see if this is correct. We will now run, and okay, this is going to print 3 years. I will pause the video for a while. So you don't get impatient. Okay, I'll come back. Hello, I am back. So 3 years of data has been fed, and let's see if we have the right array. We start with 2010, January 1. We should get it started on a Friday, and in our coding system, we should get a 6. Correct, we should get a 6. All right? Okay, so then print day of week equals column. Okay, So we don't want to run the program and repeat the whole process of feeding data. We don't use run, we just use go to. So we don't start from the very beginning. Go to line 600. So let's print 2000. Oh no, it's not going to work because we edited the program. Whenever we edit the program, it starts from the very beginning. So this is not going to work. It's not going to work. Out of memory 7200. All right, sorry about that. We have to run the program. So I think we got a good result a while ago. So let's insert. We can insert the whole 11 years now. Okay, so we'll insert the whole 11 years instead of oh, hang on, we haven't tested for the leap year 2012, so let's run the program again. Okay, running the program. So I don't bore you, I will suspend the video first, and okay, see you later. Okay, I am back. Let us now feed 2012, which is a leap year, and February 29. All right. So what's the value? Day of week equals 4, meaning Wednesday. Wednesday. So let's check that. Let's check. Let's check. Okay, 29, a Wednesday. Correct. Oh, we're pleased, aren't we? Okay, so all we need to do now, if we want to complete the 11 years, is to, let's see. If we want to complete the 11 years, there, all right? So that is up to year 2020, year up to 2020. Okay, so we can run this and you will be very bored, so I will let the computer run on its own, and I will suspend the video so you don't wait for 11 years of data appearing on your screen. So bye for now. Okay, it's running now. Bye for now. Okay, I am back. So 11 years of data is now in the array. So what is a leap year? Let's say 2016. That's a leap year. That's this year, and the Olympics is going on, so it is a leap year. So what do we want? Let's say August 17, which was a Wednesday. I remember that day, so our value should be 4 for day of week. 4, correct? All right. And we don't want to repeat the program. We just want to, we don't run it anymore. We just go to line 6600. We go to 6600. Go to 6600 so we can repeat that. And today is September 18, 2016. It is September 18, and it's a Sunday, so day of week should be 1. Very good. Now let's go into the future, year 2020. Go to 6600 again, year 2020, which is think of a day. Okay, let's say what? Christmas Day. Okay, Christmas Day. Christmas Day for 2020 will be a Friday. Now let's verify that. But before we verify and before I forget, I want to save what I've done so far, what we've done so far. This is the third portion of the program. So that's the file name. And we want to know if year 2020, let's see, 2020. What's taking this so slow? Okay, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020. December 25. December 25. Okay, Friday. Correct. We got it right. Okay, so this is the end of our program. We were able to key in 11 years of data into an array, and we're doing fine. So happy programming. Bye.